Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from Dulotec company, but this time it's a pocket knife, model K105. The box contains a black pouch for storing the knife, and of course the knife itself. Total length is 13.5 centimeters, blade length is 5 centimeters, blade thickness is 2 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 3CR13 MOV, comparable to 420 steel. The advantage of this steel is high corrosion resistance and easy sharpening. Tempered to 58 HRC, full flat grind, mirror finish. On the blade there is an inscription Dulotec. It's slip joint. Opening with nail nick. The handle is made of decorated brass. Grommet. You can attach paracord, chain or K-ring. In summary, no doubt it's a knife with a unique style. This is my girlfriend's pocket knife. She sometimes uses it in the office, and as far as I know, it received positive comments from their associates. It's hard to be surprised. You can't ignore it. So if it's an interesting proposition also for women who value elegance and originality at the same time. Perfect for mushrooms and for any light work. It doesn't take up much space in your pocket or handbag. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.